Well, nearly 100 cases of a parasite that can cause severe diarrhea has been confirmed in Arkansas this year, and more than half are right here in Northwest Arkansas. Our Reagan Wynn spoke with the Arkansas Department of Health and a University of Arkansas food safety researcher about what's behind the numbers and why the real count could be even higher.
As of July 27th, there have been 92 reported cases of cyclosporiasis in Arkansas in 2026, and that is an increase compared to prior years.
That's according to Dr. Cassandra Lotrideau at the Arkansas Department of Health. She says that compares to just 11 cases in 2024 and 7 in 2025. But she says that jump isn't as scary as it sounds.
We're probably seeing increased numbers because of increased testing in the setting of an outbreak. It's possible that there were other cases that were not detected in those prior years.
Benton County has 56 cases, Washington County 11, the only two counties statewide with more than 10. Part of the increase is tied to an outbreak linked to Taylor Farms lettuce, including products sent to Taco Bell. Dr. Kristen Gibson, director of the University of Arkansas Center for Food Safety, says not every case may be connected to the same outbreak, and that products tied to it could simply be more common in our corner of the state.
It's harder to match whether everyone's a part of this outbreak or there's something else going on. It could also be the products that are implicated are, maybe more available here.
Her broader advice for shoppers anywhere: pay attention to product recalls.
People really need to pay attention to product recalls because the FDA knows what they're doing. They are really working very hard based on my conversations. They're not going to hide information from you if they know it.
Beyond what's on the shelf, both say what happens after someone gets sick matters just as much. Lotrideau says that's why seeing a doctor matters. It helps investigators report the source.
If people are not presenting for care and the diagnostic testing is not performed, then yes, that would lead to lower numbers.
Reagan Wynn reporting, according to the Arkansas Department of Health, symptoms of cyclosporiasis include watery diarrhea with frequent and sometimes explosive bowel movements that usually go away and then return a couple of times after that. Both experts say the 92 confirmed cases are likely an undercount and emphasize that reporting any of these symptoms to a doctor will help investigators find the sources of the outbreak.